Let's solve this together. It says 3 raised to the power s multiplied by 5 raised to the power s squared is equal to 15. We're going to solve for x in this question. How do we solve it? Now, first of all, what I want to state is that 15 is equal to, 3 times 5, alright? So because 15 is equal to 3 times 5, we can go ahead and say that this is 3 raised to the power of x multiplied by 5 raised to the power of x squared to be equal to 3 multiplied by 5, alright? If this is the case, we can go ahead and say, let's divide each side by 3. If we divide this side by 3, and divide this side by 3, then go ahead and say, let's divide each side again by 5 raised to the power x squared. So let's divide this side by 5 raised to the power x squared, this side by 5 raised to the power x squared. Alright? It makes sense soon. Now, 3 here will take 3 here. 5 raised to the power x squared here will take 5 raised to the power x squared here. So that we're left with 3 raised to the power of x divided by 3 is equal to 5 raised to the power of what? 1 divided by 5 raised to the power of what? X squared. Alright? Now, when you have something like this, subtract the power. So we have 3 raised to the power of x minus, this is 1, is equal to 5 raised to the power of 1 minus x squared. Okay? Now, moving on from here, we can say let's now take the literal log of both sides. So we have ln of 3 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to ln of 5 to the power of 1 minus x squared. Alright? Now when you have ln of this minus ln of this, you have logarithm of a number raised to the power here and logarithm of a number raised to the power here. When you have logarithm of a number raised to the power, it's equal to the number multiplied by the log. So we have that this is x minus 1 multiplied by ln of 3 to be equal to 1 minus x squared multiplied by ln of 5. Okay? Now let me state something quickly and we'll apply it here. So when you have a squared minus b squared, it's equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Okay? So if you ask factorize a squared minus b squared, this is what you should get. So let me apply this here in breaking down this equation and we'll see where we go from there. Alright? Now moving on from here, we can say that looking at this thing, it resembles what I just showed you now. So this is 1 minus x squared. Okay, I know you'll be asking yourself, what is the second power? But then this is the second power here. Because 1 is something as 1 squared. 1 squared minus x squared will be equal to 1 minus x multiplied by 1 plus x. Okay? So we can go ahead and say that this is x minus 1 multiplied by ln of 3 to be equal to 1 minus x into 1 plus x multiplied by ln of 5. Alright? Now, moving on from here, we can say let's put this over to this side. So we have x minus 1 multiplied by ln of 3 to be equal to, okay, put this in bracket like this. Now, equal to, move, and this will come over. So this is minus 1 minus x multiplied by 1 plus x ln of 5. So be equal to 0 here. Now, looking at this closely, now you observe something. You're seeing x minus 1. Now, we want this thing to look like x minus 1. How do we make this look like x minus 1? Look at the minus sign outside the bracket now. You need minus sign to multiply this, and this thing changes to plus. And here, this becomes minus 1 plus x. And minus 1 plus x as x minus 1. So we can do that now. So we can say that x minus 1 multiplied by ln of 3, this will now become plus. This minus will go into the bracket to give us what? Minus times x is what? X. Okay? And minus times 1 is negative 1 into 1 plus x into ln of 5 equals 0. Now let's go ahead and factor out our x minus 1. So this is x minus 1 will be outside the bracket, and then we have inside the brackets we have this is ln of 3 plus 1 plus x multiplied by what? Ln of 5. Alright? So we're equal to 0. We're almost done. Now looking at this closely, we can see that this is ln of 3 plus 1 plus x multiplied by ln of 5. Now you can go ahead and use ln of 5 to open this bracket up. So we have ln of 5 multiplying 1 will give us ln of 5. So we have that this is plus ln of 5. ln of 5 times x is plus x ln of 5. And then we have ln of 3 inside the bracket multiplied by what? X minus 1. So we're equal to 0. Okay? Now moving on from here, you can say the product of two things are not equal to 0. So the product of this times this is equal to 0. When the product of two things are equal to 0, there is two conditions that can be placed here. It's either the first number here or the first variable here is equal to 0, or the second variable here is equal to 0. Okay, those are the only two conditions that can make this product to be 0. So if the first variable here is equal to 0, it means that what? X, or let's say the first answer for x is equal to 1. Okay? Furthermore, if ln of 3 plus ln of 5 plus x ln of 5 is equal to 0, okay, we can now say that this is, if you push x ln of 5 to one side, you have minus x ln of 5 to be equal to ln of 3, or this is ln or ln, plus ln of 5. Alright? Hence, we now have ln of 3 plus ln of 5. When you have this is logarithm of 3 and this is logarithm of 5. Okay? Now, when you have this, you multiply the log. So we have that this is ln, or 5 times 3 is 15. Okay? It's equal to negative x ln of 5. Moving on from here, we can now say that our x now becomes equal to, let's divide both sides by negative ln of 5. So we have ln of 15 divided by minus ln of 5. Okay? And this is equal to negative ln of 15 over ln of 5. Okay? So this becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.